How to build a PC in 4 minutes. Step 1. Have all your parts. Graphics card, CPU, heatsink, motherboard, power supply, RAM, hard drive, SSD, Wi-Fi adapter, keyboard, mouse, monitor, Windows, case, donut, in case you get hungry. You'll also need a tool, screwdriver. Do you need any other tools? Not really. Step 2. Install the CPU in the motherboard. Make sure to match up the notches. It will only fit correctly one way. Step 3. Install the RAM. Step 4. Install the heatsink. Read the instructions. Lose your will to live. Put together all the complicated parts of the heatsink. Put a drop of thermal paste on the CPU. Place the heatsink on top of the CPU. Fasten it. Plug it in. Step 5. Install the motherboard's I/O shield in the back of the case. It should click perfectly into place once you've lost a sufficient amount of blood. Step 6. Install the standoffs for your motherboard. Check to make sure all the standoffs are in the right place. Remove the one that isn't, thus saving you hundreds of dollars in broken computer stuff. Step 7. Put the motherboard in the case. Make sure you're using the correct screws. Screw the motherboard into the standoffs using the correct screws. Step 8. Plug your motherboard into the case. Read your motherboard manual to see where everything goes. Plug all the things into the right spots. Step 9. Install your storage drives. Step 10. Install your graphics card. Step 11. Install your Wi-Fi card if you have one. Alternatively, use a USB Wi-Fi dongle. Step 12. Install your power supply. With modular power supplies, plug in only the cables you need. Fasten it in the back of the case and don't plug in the power yet. Plug in motherboard power, CPU power, graphics card power, and storage drive power. Step 13. Reattach the side panels if you're feeling confident. Step 14. Plug in your peripherals. Step 15. Plug in the power cable and switch it on. Step 16. See if it works. If it doesn't work, troubleshoot. We should probably make a troubleshooting video. For now, use Google. But it'll probably work. It's gonna work. Step 17. Install your operating system. Once it loads, follow the steps. Step 18. Wait for it to install. Congratulations, you've got a working computer. Now go play Minesweeper. If you like this video and want to learn more about PC hardware, consider subscribing to our channel. We desperately crave the attention.